Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In today's video, we will learn about the criteria for congruence of triangles. So here I have already drawn the triangle ABC and this triangle is PQR. So is the first criteria is triple S. Triple S stands for side and again side. So, if the triangles having three sides are equal, then the two triangles are congruent to each other. So, suppose that in this, the side AB, this is the side AB, this AB side is corresponding to the side QP. I am using the same color for the corresponding. So, if we write that AB side is equal to the corresponding side, that is PQ, then AC side, that is of green color, this is of green color, so AC side corresponding to PR, and the third side, that is the BC, which is of red color, is equal to the corresponding side, that is QR. So all three criteria are showing the sides. This is also side, this is also side, and this is also side. So the two triangles are congruent to each other by the criteria. So here two triangles, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now the second criteria is side angle side. So S for stand for side and A stand for angle. So here for the congruency, the three conditions are needed. Two conditions are for the side and one condition is for the angle. So suppose that in this triangle, the side AC is equal to the corresponding side, that is PR, and the side AB is equal to the corresponding side PQ, then the third should be the angle, and for that we have to take very care of the angle. So the angle should be that angle which contains both the equal side. So here the angle should be this is angle A, and here the angle. So this is the angle which contains both the side. This angle contains both the side, AC also and AB also. Similarly, this angle contains both the side, AB and also QP also, as well as PR also. So the angle for criteria SAS, the angle should be such that it contains both the side. So here angle A is equal to the corresponding angle. When these three conditions are fulfilled, then we can say the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now this is the third criteria, that is ASA. A stand for angle and S for stand for side. So two angles, one side. So in this criteria, we have to prove two angles equal and one side. For side, it is very important we have to take that side which includes both the angle, which we make equal. So suppose that in this triangle, I take this angle C and the corresponding to angle C, this is the angle R. So angle C and R are equal. So I take angle C and angle R are equal. Another angle, that is angle B. So I take this angle B and the corresponding to angle B is Q. So angle B and Q are equal. So the side should be taken which include both the angle. So BC is the side, BC is that side which include both the angles, angle C as well as angle B. Similarly, QR is that side which is corresponding to BC, which include both the angle Q as well as R. So, in this criteria, if angle C is equal to angle R, then angle B is equal to angle Q and the side which include both the angles, that is the BC is equal to QR, then we can say that the two triangles are congruent to each other. That is, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. PQR. So this is for the third criteria. This is the last criteria for the congruency, and this criteria is called RHS. R is stand for right angle. R is stand for right angle. The H is stand for hypotenuse, and S is stands for side. So for side we can take base also or perpendicular also, depend on the question or the condition which is given. So suppose that in this triangle I say that the B, here angle B is 90 degree and here angle Q is 90 degree. So these two angles are right angle. So first condition we have got, that is angle B is equal to angle Q, and why these two angles are equal to 90 degree. Second condition is the hypotenuse. So suppose that this AC 90 degree के सामने जो होता है, that is the hypotenuse. So this AC is the hypotenuse, and in PQR, PR is the hypotenuse. So suppose that these are equal. So AC is equal to PR. So here hypotenuse also equal. Now we can take any one side. We can take BC also. If BC is equal to QR, the corresponding to BC is QR, or AB is equal to PQ. These are the corresponding sides. So any one side. So suppose that in this question I take that AB side is corresponding to PQ and these two are equal, that AB is equal to PQ. Therefore we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by the criteria RHS. So hope you will understand. Thank you.